Adaptive customer engagement, interaction management with a business focus. Adaptive customer engagement is a unique offering that has its roots in the success of online commerce. In the world of e-commerce, each unique online visitor is identified through their cookies and demographically and behaviorally profiled through consumer or customer databases. A similar paradigm can be applied to customers interacting with a contact center. Customers can be identified, classified, and profiled. These profiles can be used to match them with the right agent, call script, and upsell, cross-sell suggestions to deliver the best business outcomes. Today, most contact centers are cost centers, and agents account for most of the cost. Performance improvement traditionally has focused on cost containment. In other words, service efficiency, rather than business outcomes. What is missing is a holistic or 360-degree view of customer interactions that enables fresh business insights that are actionable. Contact center operations require the fine-tuning of a number of critical parameters that can fluctuate rapidly. Today, this data is examined separately because it is siloed in a number of different systems. We know a lot about agents and their skills, but very little about customers and their business value. We gather rich metrics about service levels and KPIs, but very few metrics about customer experience and business outcomes. We are able to analyze data from the past to guide us into the future, but unable to take advantage of real-time data to drive real-time impact. The lack of a big picture can make it challenging to assess and adjust call routing strategies and staffing levels for the best business outcomes. Transera takes a unique approach to solve these contact center challenges, drives improvements in your operations both in real time and continuously over time from both a business and a service perspective. Transera applies the lessons of online commerce to customer interactions in contact centers. By exploiting newly available big data technologies to consolidate and analyze customer interaction data that is siloed in various systems. Our solution adds relevant business metrics to current service metrics and customer value segmentation to existing agent profiling to deliver interaction management with a business focus. Our solution goes beyond today's methodology of continuous improvement to analytics-driven real-time impact on contact center operations and business performance. The Transera solution for adaptive customer engagement is offered as a suite of 3 software-as-service applications, each addressing a specific business need. The Command Center dashboard integrates business and service metrics to provide a centralized visual display of business-specific and site-specific views of contact center performance, as well as a bird's eye view of the entire environment. The Business Intelligence Console mines the data for business insight after it has been segmented and profiled to generate standard and custom reports and to give users the ability to perform ad hoc queries with interactive analytics. The Customer Interaction Advisor applies statistical and predictive analytical models to the consolidated data to provide adaptive engagement recommendations in the form of customer agent matches, scripts, and upsell, cross-sell suggestions. All 3 applications rely on an underlying customer interaction repository which extracts and integrates data from multiple operational systems that collect customer interaction data and refines the raw data with big data technologies. In the last couple of years, big data, which has been successfully used internally in many large internet companies, has entered the mainstream. When applied to customer interactions, big data and predictive analytics can deliver actionable intelligence with real-time impact to improve business performance. Transera's ACE solution is architected to extract contact, agent, customer, and business data from multiple operational systems that are involved in customer interactions. The extracted data is continuously cleansed, transformed, and loaded into a big data customer interaction repository in the cloud, where it resides active, accessible, and actionable. Segmentation and profiling scripts run continuously on top of this customer interaction repository, generating pertinent statistics and analytics relevant for business operations, insights, and improvement. Segmentation and profiling feeds the three ACE applications for operational visibility, interactive business insights, and predictive analytics-driven recommendations for adaptive engagement. The Command Center dashboard integrates business and service metrics and provides operational visibility and control in real time. Contact centers and business analysts can monitor service activity and contact data, calls in queue, calls connected to agents, calls in IVR, across the enterprise or by brand, group, site, or vendor. They can monitor business activity as well: offered calls, abandoned calls, handled calls, converted calls, orders, upsells, cross-sells, and revenues to the minute across the enterprise or by brand, group, site, or vendor. The Command Center dashboard allows customers to configure their views so that they are tailored to specific operational roles and responsibilities within their organization. The Command Center dashboard gives users the ability to compare targets to actuals, set thresholds for variance, and receive alerts and notifications when thresholds are breached. The Business Intelligence Console takes advantage of the continuous segmentation and profiling of data in the customer interaction repository that is in turn continuously updated by new feeds from operational systems. The Business Intelligence Console provides configurable dashboards with rich graphics to business users as a convenient way to organize, view, and interact with relevant business reports. Users have the ability to configure and modify standard report templates and create custom reports. Users can schedule the automatic generation and distribution of specific reports to relevant user groups at specified times. Business analysts use the interactive console to issue ad hoc queries and analyze results to compare brand, campaign, and vendor performance as well as targets to actuals to drive operational excellence. The Customer Interaction Advisor employs a mix of statistical and predictive analytical models applied to very large data sets available in the repository to generate actionable recommendations for improving contact center performance. Central to this process is customer segmentation and agent performance profiling. Contact centers use these recommendations for real-time interaction routing, agent and customer matches, script selection, and upselling and cross-selling suggestions. The Customer Interaction Advisor also predicts call arrivals and makes recommendations for agent staffing levels required to reduce call abandons. What do these capabilities mean for your business and your contact center operations? Transera's solution delivers measurable improvements in contact center performance. Customers who have deployed ACE applications experience tangible benefits. Marketing and sales get the best return for every marketing dollar spent by reducing abandons up to 50% and increasing conversions up to 10%. Customer service delivers the best customer experience by minimizing call transfers and matching agents to callers based on their need and potential value to the business. Contact centers drive operational excellence by monitoring of key performance metrics and taking corrective action when the metrics are out of bounds. Adaptive customer engagement offers a new perspective for adapting the engagement process according to a significantly improved understanding of the customer's intrinsic needs and expected impact on the bottom line. It is an approach to interaction management that broadens the standard processes to include a business focus. It rests on the foundation of collecting and consolidating customer interaction data currently siloed in multiple systems and analyzing and interpreting the data to drive better business decisions. The goal of adaptive customer engagement are simple: to understand the customer's need and potential value to the business and to match them with suitable agents, equip the agents with suitable scripts, and enable them to upsell suitable products and services. This is a unique solution, the only one of its kind that drives improvements in your business operations both in real time and continuously over time. Adaptive customer engagement, interaction management with a business focus. You just heard an overview. If you are interested, please visit us at www.transerainc.com for more details. Thank you.